Hey, Sharon, listen to me. Have you ever bathed in catnip? Sharon, have you ever done it? Get out of here. I'm tripping my tits off.
Open your mouth and see what your cat does.
Yo quiero disfrutar mi juventud de un perrijo, no es tanta responsabilidad.
Mamá. Mamá. Mamá, ¿está dormida? Mamá, es que tengo mucha hambre. Me estaba esperando a que se despertara, pero ya son las 11 de la mañana y yo no he desayunado. Me desperté a las 7. ¿Me hace un huevito? Sí. Ay, gracias, mamá.
About 3 o'clock. One sec, Paul. I'm gonna fucking kill you! I've done it before! I'm doing it again! I'm confessing right now! Sorry about that, Paul.
Nani, ven. Ay, qué bonito.
Me voy a matar, te me último. Me voy a matar.
¿Qué pasa?
Babe, she's been drinking all day.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
Oh.
Pop, you've come to collect your Rottweiler after a sleepover at Nanny's.
Hi.
Who done this?
Scooby. No. Did you eat my burger? Lambo, did you eat my burger?
Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? No. Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? No. Ben, are you gonna kidnap me?
Yes.
Oh, man, I am so tired from CrossFit this morning.
It's pronounced croissants, and you ate 4 of them.
I just wanted to make a video.
Kiki, ow. Kiki. Stop.
Come on. Oh.
Hey, boy. What's up?
Okay, come on. Go, guys! Oh my god.
Hi. It's me. What are you doing? Dude, are you good? Louis, come. What are you doing? Why are you so scared? Dude.
Hey, man, you wanna fucking stop?